Have you ever wondered how the iconic Kedarnath temple, nestled amidst the mighty Himalayas, came into existence? In the 8th century CE, a saint named Adi Shankaracharya, guided by a divine vision from Lord Shiva, embarked on a divine mission. He saw a celestial abode of Shiva on earth, and he was determined to make this vision a reality. In the midst of a rugged terrain, where the weather was as formidable as the mountains themselves, the construction of the Kedarnath temple began. The workers, instilled with unwavering devotion, carved stone and carried heavy loads, transforming the heart of the mountain into a sacred abode for Lord Shiva. As the temple took shape, Adi Shankaracharya himself consecrated the main sanctum with a sacred Shiva Lingam, a symbol of Lord Shiva's divine presence. He wished that this temple would forever be a beacon of spirituality, offering solace to the devotees who sought Lord Shiva's blessings. Over the centuries, the Kedarnath temple, standing tall amidst the snow-capped peaks, has been a testament to Adi Shankaracharya's faith and vision. This sacred temple has drawn pilgrims from across the world, offering them a spiritual haven. Today, Kedarnath, the abode of Lord Shiva, stands as a symbol of unwavering faith, devotion, and the timeless connection between humanity and the divine. It is not just a temple, but a testament to the human spirit's resilience and our eternal quest for spiritual enlightenment. So, to sum it up, the story of Kedarnath's construction is a tale of divine vision, unwavering faith, and tireless devotion. Starting from Adi Shankaracharya's divine calling in the 8th century CE through the painstaking construction process to its standing today as a global spiritual beacon, Kedarnath is a symbol of humanity's spiritual quest and our enduring connection with the divine.